Thank you, Chair, and members of the committee. I'm Lance Hines. I'm City Director for Ward 5 in Little Rock. I'm here in support of Senate Bill 411. Normally, I would be up here opposing an intervention on self-rule with a local municipality, but earlier this year, I attempted to run a resolution that simply recognized what we were already doing as a municipality to comply with federal immigration law under our agreements with the Department of Justice for our safety grants. Also going forward, the Department of Justice also changed it even to apply for a public safety grant from DOJ. You must affirm that you're following those points and policies. I was met with some resistance and withdrew my bill because I could not get a majority support on the Little Rock board. I think that the Senator's bill really recognizes what we're already doing to comply. The concern for me with our body not passing a resolution to recognize and make it the policy of the city is that everything that's being done is being done at an administrative level. A police chief, a city attorney, a mayor could direct at staff level to not comply, and then it would be up to somebody to either have a whistle blow or a citizen to file a complaint. I think this bill lines out. It doesn't change anything that we're already doing, but it does make it that we've got rules to follow at the municipal level. I think one of the misconceptions is that the term that comes up is undocumented status. This wouldn't affect anybody that is under DACA status, because that is a recognized legal status under our federal government right now. So it would not have any impact on anybody here who has received DACA status under the federal government. With that being, I would appreciate your support of this legislation.
George Pritchett, Hot Springs, Arkansas. I'm here in support of this bill. It's an atrocity that we have so many unauthorized immigrants in Arkansas. We have 41% of the immigrants here are illegals. I believe I said that correctly. But what concerns me most, this is a horrible burden on our entitlement program, medical services, our education system. It's an atrocity that we would have cities passing laws that break federal laws. We are a nation of laws, and we're not going to bother with them, and why do we enforce any laws? I think we should cooperate with ICE in every situation. If you've been a victim of an illegal immigrant and you tried to chase them down for your car or for your house, or worse, if you had your child molested or killed, you can't find them. They just go get a new set of papers. They just pay a few $100s and they establish a new business. Maybe they're in the landscaping business. Maybe they want to hang sheetrock in your house, and most of them want to be paid cash. They are illegals. They are criminals. We need to treat them as such. This body here passes laws in the city and in the county. They pass laws. They should obey the laws of our country, and we should not be establishing any sanctuaries of any kind anywhere in our country. I think it's important that we understand it's not a discussion about anything but criminals. We do not want to protect criminals. Please do not allow these people to go unapprehended. We all have a crisis at our border. It's getting worse. Yes, we've had some ups and downs in illegal immigration, but we're on an upcycle right now. The victims of crimes are forgotten victims because you can't find and hold people accountable. You have no recourse. It's hard to even insure yourself against those things in your property and things. And certainly when you have a loved one, a family member, or a friend that's been injured, hurt, or even killed, all you do is watch them and they disappear, because if they ever get out on bail, they just disappear. I think the most tragedy of all is when we talk about passing sanctuary laws, that what are we teaching our children? Laws are not important. You know, laws don't apply here when you pass a sanctuary law, but we want you to obey the laws of our country. We want you to obey law enforcement officials. We're teaching when we have sanctuary laws. We're teaching children that laws don't matter and it's not important, and they're going to grow up not obeying the laws of their country at the federal, state, local level, and they're going to have no respect for law enforcement. Look at our problems we have today. Sanctuary cities should never exist, and they should be severely punished if they do anything to